Right, go on. Right, wait. Chris, jump in. No. Right, Chris, jump in. Right, James. Ooh.
Yeah?
Launch that over to me. Right, now press triangle to jump over.
Nanotech, that's the stuff. Nanotech? Well, I'm in peak physical condition.
Come on, Chris. Right, your turn, Chris.
Oh, jag såg det.
Right, James.
Oh, you almost missed. Oh, you wouldn't even die if you did.
I'll drop down here. Right, go behind and kill him. Kill him.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
I think I kinda need to change this thing.
Just press down again and it'll put you back on your gun.
No, I have something else on.
Probably your Zony Zapper. Because that's what weapon you had on
Yeah.
last. Yeah, if you press down now, it'll put you onto your Quake Hammer.
There we go, finally. What?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Stay alive if you can.
Gah.
Don't worry, I'm gonna kill him now. Oop. Guys, come over. I can't get up. I need you to come over a little more.
Dead.
I can't get up. Oh shit.
Someone get me.
We've got to revive James, otherwise it's game over. Right, come down here. Come over here. Right, stop. Okay, move back left a little. Right, stop. Right, someone go and jump on that left one. Yep. Go on.
Oh, me? Now on the target.
Shoot him. Oh, no, man, he's dead. Right, ready?
Easy.
Right, go on. Right, let go, Chris. James, come on, James, come on.
Oh shit, we have a time limit? Oh god, I'm screwed.
You know. Wait, Chris, wait. Oh, fuck.
What?
Okay, go.
Threw it on me?
Pick another one up. Oop.
Hey!
Go on, launch it over. There's a beetle here.
What the oh shit.
I tried to warn you. No, this way.
Oh my god.
There's nothing down there. There's nothing down that way, James. Oop.
Maybe there could have been.
No, I've already been down there before. Chris, stay down there 2 seconds. There we go. Alright, Quake Hammer, guys. Oh, Chris. Oh, my days.
Come on, man, it's easy.
There we go. We got there in the end. And that's the end of that level. This is where you need to get to for that trophy, James.
Ah.
James, you kind of glitched there.
I didn't.
You did. You were glitched onto it like a ledge.
You're just lagging.
No.
Lady.
It's the game. Like, there's a lot of problems.
Do everything again.
What can I say? Ice Beast.
Although I did just like drill the whole game.
So, run a jetpack now.
Immortal.
Oh,
Yeah.
Chris, you went from noob to immortal. Well played.
I don't feel like
Critters, anyone?
What?
Chris?
Oh, well. Yeah. I'm gonna need you, Philip.
Alright, hammer, guys, hammer. James, do you want those bolts?
Hell yeah.
Right, this is where we get the jetpack now.
Whoa.
Right. Don't just keep falling, because there'll be traps in that for us. And you don't need to hold X, because we don't need to go up. Avoid pretty much everything as well, otherwise you get hurt.
Ta-da!
You got hurt.
No one. Right, stop, James, come back up. Press R. Press R1. Press R1.
Ah. Ooh.
Yeah, you want to avoid that.
Whoa! What the hell? Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
that's
I
a
did it.
slam. That's a slam. You use them to break like containers and that. And you also find enemies in the containers with laser guns that you have to use that to break.
Chris, what are you doing?
Chris, no more.
I have fun.
What? How do I? Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's just me now. I've got to come on with you. Right. Oh,
Yeah.
Chris stole them all.
That's how you do it.
Right, guys, bolt.
Whoops!
Chris, land on here and get your bolt. Circle. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
You fucking shot me into the fire.
There we go.
Okay, I was just watching James then for some reason. Chris is just constantly getting hurt.
Uh-oh.
Right, James R1 on there as well.
Whoops.
Oh,
Easy.
mine, bitch, mine.
Oh, trophy. The bolt tanker.
Yeah, it's because you got 100,000 bolts. I think. Press L2. How many have you got?
Yeah. 100,000.
Yeah. And we're only on the third world, and you get a lot more later on. Just press X. Like press X to use your actual thrust.
Nah, that's
This is fun.
oh my god, no!
I want to see who dies first.
Oh shit.
Whoops.
Shit, laser. I'm gonna die.
So what do you guys think for your first Ratchet Clank experience?
Yeah, it's quite fun.
Quite fun.
You should rent the HD collection from Love Film, James. See what the first 3 games were like. I mean, it's 3 more easy plats as well. So,
That's...
I think you'll enjoy them, to be honest. I mean, there's no Ratchet Clank game out next week.
There's a new one out next week.
Yeah. It's only like a filler game in the story, though. It's not a full game. So that's why it's only like 15 quid.
Fair enough.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I'm stuck on the blades.
Yeah. Smash into the traps. Oh shit.
Is Chris gonna die first? Is Chris gonna die first?
Oh, I am.
Yeah. No, Chris died.
I don't even know where I was.
Crap, I'm dead. Oh, we all died.
No.
We suck.
I was about to respawn, guys.
Totally did that on
That's the only problem. Like, we need to do it so that all 3 of us don't die at the same time.
Yeah, but it's annoying because
Fuck.
when someone's not in the camera, it fucks us all up.
Yeah. Right, all try and stay together. And these double lasers are annoying. I'm dead.